Ngibingelele Ayandumale Mbete from Osnohlonze newspaper la ngime noMr Nyawo ngicela ukuthi asibingelele asichazele ukuthi namhlanje ngiyabonga.
Sanibonani nami kweli bakhaya. Ngikhanya Nyawo ngoba ngisasho OCC. Sikwi-BRICS Summit, i-WBO for women, eThekwini ICC.
Okay, siyabonga. Kulo day 2, what did you gain or what did you bring to this event enzeka lana? We invest noma we farmer. Ngicela ukuthi uchazele abalaleli emakhaya ukuthi what is your portfolio to this event?
So with BRICS, I'm here representing two companies. The first one is on Premier Activities. The second one is called Philtech Environmental Services. Let's call you a dealer mainly, no consultant. Dealer and my trainings within the agricultural space. We are accredited with AMA-CETA Altuna, and we've developed over 300 farmers and mentored over 50 in the past 5 years. Lesbili, a company of drones. Service farmers, some fertilizer, some pesticide, some herbicide, some pelomaplasm, and we also use data that we've collected to make decisions
Oh wow, siyabonga siyazi ukuthi ngasikhona sebetholile. Siyabonga kakhulu yini ongayisho umuntu ohlele ekhaya ongayi-understand i-farming ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba mina njengami ngikule ngazi ukuthi i-farming nje angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nanokuthi ngicela abantu bacacisele ukuthi nenkomo nayo kusayi-farming, ukufuya i-farming nokutshala kusayi-farming.
Kanti kuwenzani ugogo ugogo bengenazo yini ekhaya noma engadi espinashi? But basically, thina season now picture. And farming is very broad. I think one of the things abantu abangayi understand with agriculture is that bagcina ekutheni bazi ukufanele utshale noma kufanele ufuye. Thina we're in the services business, we're in the services space of the agriculture. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi sinama-drones, ama-drones abantu abaningi bazi ukuthi ashuthe imishado yabo, bazi ukuthi ashuthe imicimbi yabo, kuphele kanjalo. Thina i-drone ifana nogandaganda thina. We're also in the training and services space and in the technology space. So we incorporate various other technologies within the agriculture and the farming. So there's different levels of farming. There's the production end, which is according to the spinach. There's the processing end, spinach, juice, package and salad. Then there is also the technology and the marketing space of it. So there's different levels and variations of agriculture.
Kunento engizwile la Mr Khanya ukuthi singayithathi imbewu angazi nibiza ngani kuthiwa lefika isheshe ukuyimilela ayifunakali ibizwa ngani ifike ngani?
Nama-GMO.
Yes.
The GMO is very contested. I have different opinions in terms of what GMO is and what it does.
Okay.
But we industry, land come work on for me and for the population that is growing. GMO is just modified specific things. So it could be a disease factor or a disease affected, Leo seed, Leo plant that is modified or that is pulled out or that is genetically altered to make the plant better. It could be the size of the plant. For example, umbila doesn't come in two colors.
Yeah.
It comes in a variety of colors.
Yeah.
So that's umbila is genetically modified. Umbila yellow is genetically modified.
Okay.
So to make it look white or to pick the ones with the white seeds, to pick the ones with the yellow seeds. So that's a form of genetic modification. Is it good? I don't know. Is it bad? I don't know. But at the end of the day, Tina, as farmers or Tina, as people within the industry, we try and produce according to what the market needs, according to what Abandi needs and America needs. At this particular point in time, we've got 9 billion people in the world, and I'm calling which is going to produce on an organic level and a non-GMO way that could feed 9 billion.
Yeah.
So where's the financial? And I mean, the links between cancer and GMO, that's also questionable as well. I've read a couple of papers, been a part of some studies as well. It's a variation. So that's my answer to GMOs.
No, siyabonga kakhulu esinohlonze kuba noMr Khanya namhlanje siyabonga, we appreciate him. Ibhizinisi likhona bafirst kwi-farming. Hayi ukuthi utshala ukherothi omncane ungene ey'ngane zakho. It goes a long way indaba ye-farming. Naba siyawona uMr Khanya, ubona umkhaba lo, umkhaba wemali lo we-farming. Siyabonga kakhulu Mr Khanya.